Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Frollo account. First of all, find and open Frollo application on your device. After that, click on Next button, or you can simply skip it by clicking on the top right corner of the screen. Now click on Sign In button here. After that, you need to type in your email address on this field here and password on this field here. After typing in your information, you can click on Sign In button. Now click on Use Face ID button. After that, create a passcode for your account. Now click on Finish button. And you can see that you are successfully logged into your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.